Hello, my dear beloved viewers, welcome back to our channel. This is the part 11 in integration. Total solutions for each and every problem in Telugu Academy will be given to you. So let us start the continuation of part 10. Now, here Roman number 2, question number 30. Already up to part 10, I had to complete up to 11th one, 11th and 12th. Okay, Roman number 2. So, e power ax into sin bx dx. Integral e power ax into sin bx dx, e power ax into sin bx dx. You see here, let I is equal integral e power x into sin bx dx, okay. If you observe, this is the exponential function, whereas this is trigonometric function. So, which function is to be considered as first function according to the letters of the given word? I late. Here, trigonometric function, e power x means exponential function. So, t comes first. So consider this as the first function. Again, you should write sin bx, okay, sin bx into e power ax dx, okay. Now, clearly here f of x, is equal, sin bx. So f dash x, sin derivative cos bx into bx derivative b, cos, okay, sin derivative cos, again bx derivative b. Next, for the second function, what you have to find? Only integral value. For the second function, always you should find integral value. So here e power ax. What is the integral value of e power x dx? E power ax divided by a. Okay. So first of all, you have to select first and second functions. After that, you have to find the derivative of first function and integral value of second function. So after that one, just you should mention the formula by parts. Integral f of x g of x dx is equal first function into integral of second function, minus integral of first function derivative into as this. That means integral g of x dx. So this is the formula for to evaluate any integral when it consists of product of two different functions. So this is the by parts formula, integration by parts formula, okay. Now clearly here f of x, g of x. So therefore I is equal here. What is the formula in this one? F of x. What is f of x? Sin bx. Okay, sin bx. Next, integral value. What is the integral value? E power ax divided by a. Okay, minus derivative of this one. What is the derivative? Cos bx into b. Okay, into again What is its value? Same. This integral value e power ax by a whole dx. Okay. Now here I should write like this: e power ax by a into sine bx, sine bx, minus here b by a into cos bx, cos bx into e power ax dx, into a power x dx. Okay. Now you see again this is by parts formula. So directly we have to mention already here, formula is to mention here. So no need to mention again. Okay. So directly you have to evaluate. So e power ax by a into sine of bx minus b by a into yes, first function integral of second function. Okay, first function into integral of second function. Okay, this is the first function into integral of second function. Okay, next minus first function derivative, cos derivative minus sine, cos derivative minus sine. Okay, into b. Okay, into b. Okay, into b. Into b. Okay, here first function into integral of second function. Okay, integral of second function minus first function derivative, cos derivative minus sine bx, again bx derivative b. Okay, into e power x by, into e power x by a, totally dx. Okay, total bracket. Okay, total bracket. Now here finally what is the result? Here I is equal e power ax by a into sine bx. Okay, next minus b by a into b by a square, a into a square, b by a square into cos bx into e power ax. Okay, cos bx into e power x. Next minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. Here b by a, here b by a. So minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. So minus b square by a square, minus b square by a square into integral of finally here sine bx into e power x dx, sine bx into sine e power ax dx. Okay, so here this is nothing but I, this is nothing but I. So you have to simplify this one. Okay, next one, same one. Next I have to erase this one. You see in this one I is equal in both these e power x as common. Okay, e power x as common. So what you have to do? E power ax into, so sine bx by a, sine bx by a minus here b by a square into cos bx. Here I have to take the common factor as e power x. So remaining sine bx by a minus cos bx. So b into cos bx by a square. So this is nothing but minus b square by a square into I. Okay. So transpose to right side. We have to obtain I plus b square by a square into I. Okay. Here, if you take the LCM as a square, if you take LCM as a square, what you will get? A sin bx. A sin bx minus b cos bx. A sin a sin bx minus b cos bx. Here, if you take I as common, what you will get? Here, I have to take I as common. What will get? I into 1 plus b square by a square. That means a square plus b square by a square. A square plus b square by a square. So, I into, or should mention a square plus b square by a square into I. Okay, is equal here e power ax by a square, e power ax by a square into a sin bx minus b cos bx. Okay, so a square get cancelled. A square get cancelled. So final result is I is equal e power ax by a square plus b square, e power ax by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx. A sin bx minus b cos bx. So this is the solution for this one. Integral of e power ax into sin bx. So this is the problem. Okay. For suppose if the problem is like this, here e power x into, in Roman number 3, e power x into sin bx plus c. Sin bx plus c. Same thing happens. Same, nothing should be changed. Just finally you have to mention plus c. So here in 13th problem also same thing happens. Okay. So e power ax into sin bx. Okay. Same problem, Roman number 3, question number 8, integral e power x into sin bx plus c, no problem. Same detail, no need to change, just here in place of bx plus c. Whenever bx is there, bx plus c. Here also bx plus c. Here also bx plus c. Finally capital C or C1. That is the enough. So that is the problem. Okay. Next. This is the 7 marks question in IPE. In public exams, this question may appear for long answer type questions. Long answer type questions, 7 marks. In the same way, one more extra problem, same detail, integral, same model, extra problem, integral e power ax into cos bx plus c. Okay, same model. I have to give the solution for this one. Here bx or bx plus c, no change, because here c is constant, derivative is nothing but 0. So there is no change in this one. So let I is equal integral e power x into cos bx plus c. Okay. dx. Okay. So here this is the exponential function, whereas this one is trigonometric function. So according to the order of the letters of the word, which came first, trigonometry, T letter. So this is the first function. So first of all, you should write the first function. Okay. Have you clearly understood this one? Here, according to the order of the letters of the word I laid, T comes first. So consider T means trigonometric function as first function, exponential function as second function. So after this one, just you should mention here f of x is equal cos bx plus c. Cos bx plus c. So for the first function, what you have to do? For the first function, what you have to do? Simply derivative of the first function. Cos derivative minus sin. Cos derivative minus sin. Again for bx plus c, derivative is b. That's all. Okay. Next. G of x. G of x is equal, you see, e power ax. So for this one, what is the integral value? Same, e power ax. For e power ax, what is the integral value? E power ax by a. E power x by a. Okay? Here, simply, you have to first consider or choose or select which is the first one and which is the second one. After completing the selection, first, for the first function, you have to find differentiation. For the second one, you have to find integral value. Okay, simple. So therefore, I is equal, now, here write down the formula first. Write down the formula first. Integral f of x, g of x, dx is equal. So first function into integral of second function minus first function derivative into second function integral. So totally with dx. Okay. So therefore I is equal, come on, here f of x, what is f of x? Cos bx plus c. Bx plus c into, what is the integral value? E power ax by a. Next minus derivative of this one. What is this one? Minus sin bx plus c. Bx plus c into b. What is the integral value? E power ax by a. Okay. E power ax by a. Okay. Same one. Here e power ax by a into cos bx plus c. Okay. Here also you see minus into minus plus. So b by a is a constant. So b by a into here sin bx plus c into e power x to dx. Okay. Okay. Next, here if you observe, again this is nothing but by parts, product of two different functions. So is equal e power x by a into cos bx plus c plus b by a into first function sin bx plus c, integral value e power x by a. Okay. First function into integral of second function. Okay. Minus the derivative of this one, sin derivative cos, derivative of this one cos. Okay. Into b. Again this integral value e power x by a. Okay. With respect to dx. Okay. E power x divided by a with respect to dx. Okay. Now if you observe here a into a square. So I is equal e power ax by a into cos bx plus c plus b by a square into e power ax sin bx plus c. Here plus into minus, minus here b by a and b by a is there. So b square by a square into here cos of bx plus c into a e power x dx. E power x dx. Okay? E power x dx. So this is nothing but I. So same one. So next continuation. You see here, if you take a square as LCM, if you take a square as LCM, what you will get here? Here a into e power ax cos bx plus c minus or plus here plus b into sin bx plus c, okay, minus b square by a square into I. So this is nothing but given integral, okay. So transpose to left side, you have to update I plus b square by a square into I. Here if you observe e power ax as common, so e power ax by a square into a cos bx plus c plus b sin bx plus c. In bracket, in previous one a sin bx plus c minus b cos, okay, b cos bx plus c. So whenever sin is there, here minus, cos is there means plus, same one. So finally here what is the value? A square plus b square by a square into I is equal e power x by a square into a cos bx plus c, a cos bx plus c plus b sin bx plus c, okay, okay. So a square cancel, a square cancel. So finally we have to obtain I is equal e power ax by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus c plus b sin bx plus c. Finally, you have to plus c, put capital C, okay. So this is the way to do, okay. In the previous one, integral e power ax sin bx or sin bx plus c, no problem in that one. There is no variation. So for that one, e power ax by a square plus b square, a sin bx or a sin bx plus c minus b cos bx plus c or b cos bx. So these two formulae very important. So try to remember these two, okay. These two are very important for 7 marks questions, long answer type questions, okay. Next one, here 13th over, already in part 10, 14, 17 already over. So 15th question, question number 15, Roman number 2, exercise 6C, question number 15. Integral dx by x square plus a square whole square. Integral dx by x square plus a square whole square. You see, x square plus a square, whenever a square plus x square is there, simply you have to put x is equal a tan theta. Simple. X is equal a tan theta. Simple. So here let I is equal solution. Let I is equal integral 1 by x square plus a square whole square dx. Okay, so put x is equal a tan t or a tan theta, no problem. Therefore dx is equal a tan theta derivative secant square theta d theta. Tan theta derivative secant square theta d theta. Okay. So now we have to simplify this one. What about x square plus a square whole square? So x square means a square tan square theta plus a square whole square. Okay. So a square as common. What we will get? Tan square theta plus 1 whole square. Okay. 1 plus tan square theta means secant square theta. So whole square. Okay. That means a square whole square and secant square theta whole square. This is x square plus a square whole square value, a square whole square, secant square theta whole square. No need to simplify because here calculation is there. So just we have to, therefore I is equal 1 by, this value is nothing but a square whole square into secant square theta whole square into dx. dx means a into dx means a secant square theta d theta. Secant square theta d theta. Okay. Here just I have to adjust like this. X square plus a square whole square. Okay. Secant square theta d theta. So this secant square theta and this square get cancelled. So here a is constant, here a square whole square means a power 4. Okay. So remaining 1 by secant square theta. So reciprocal of secant is nothing but cos. So this is nothing but finally 1 by 8 cube into cos square theta. Cos square theta, sorry, d theta. Okay. Cos square theta d theta. For cos square theta, use 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. For sin square theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Just simply, we should write integral 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Okay. Now, directly, you have to 1 by here 2a cube, integral of 1, or you have to write one more step, no problem. 1 by 2a cube into 1 plus cos 2 theta d theta. Okay. For 1, what is the integral value of for 1? For 1 theta. For 1 theta. Again cos integral sin 2 theta by 2. Okay. What about theta here? You see here x is equal a tan theta. X is equal a tan theta. That means tan theta is equal x by a. That means theta is equal tan inverse x by a. Here theta is equal tan inverse x by a. So simply here we should write finally 1 by 2a cube into tan inverse x by a. Tan inverse x by a plus 1 by 2 into sin of 2 theta means tan inverse x by a. That's all. Tan inverse x by a plus here 2 theta is there. In place of theta simply tan inverse x by a. 2 into tan inverse x by a. Sin of 2 tan inverse x by a. So this is the simple solution for the given problem. You see, whenever x square plus a square is there, just put x is equal a tan theta. Suppose a square minus x square is there, simply you have to put x is equal a sin theta. Okay. Next. Next question. 16th. Already 17th over, 14th over. Next to 16th. Here e power x into question number 16, put star mark here because it takes so much time due to simplification. Okay, e power 2x 5 into e power x plus 6 dx. Okay, so you see, let I is equal e power x into log of e power 2x 5 into e power x plus 6 dx. Okay, plus 6 dx. Okay, here you see, first of all you should find the factors for this one. What are the factors here? 6, 3 2's factors. I have to give the factors here. E power 2x 5 into e power x plus 6. So e power x whole square. Okay, e power x whole square plus 3 into e power x plus 2 into e power x plus 6, because factors are 3 2's. So here e power x into e power x plus 3, here 2 into e power x plus 3. So finally e power x plus 3 into e power x plus 2. If you know the factors directly, you have to mention, no need to write here. If you know it very thoroughly, directly you have to write down, no problem. Is equal to integral e power x into log of e power x plus 3 into e power x plus 2. Okay. So dx. Here you see log mn formula. Here no, here only single function is not there. Suppose log of e power x plus 3, directly you have to use the by parts formula, but two functions will be there. So write down that formula. Log mn, log m plus log n, log m plus log n, log mn formula, log m plus log n. Okay, log mn formula, log m plus log n. Now you can separate this one. E power x into log of e power x plus 3 dx, again plus integral e power x into log of e power x plus 2 dx. Okay. Now clearly, simply here put e power x is equal to t. Put e power x is equal to t. So here e power x dx is equal to dt. E power x dx is equal to dt. Okay. Okay. So therefore I is equal, you see here e power x dx is equal to dt. Here log of t plus 3 dt. Okay. Next plus integral same log of t plus 2 into dt. Okay. So here log x, whenever logarithm functions or inverse functions will be there directly, you have to select second function as unit 1. Okay. So write down log of t plus 3 into 1 dt plus integral log of t plus 2 into 1 dt. Okay. Put in star mark because so much simplification is there. So due to that reason, you have to practice several times. First of all, you have to factorize this one. After factorization, after completion of this one, just you have to write log mn formula. What is the log mn formula? Log m plus log n, log m plus log n. Okay, log mn is equal to log m plus log n. Okay. So again, to evaluate this integral, just you have to put e power x is equal to t. Then that becomes like this. So whenever this function is like this, just you have to remember always, whenever to evaluate the integral value of log x or sin inverse or root of a square minus s square, etc. Choose the second function as unity 1. Okay, don't forget. So this is 1. Now here directly we have to evaluate. Okay, just we have to simply represent the formula. Okay, so write down the formula. What is the formula? Here f of x g of x dx is equal first function into integral of second function minus first function derivative into second function integral. Okay, so this you have to put in bracket. Okay, this whole integral must put in bracket. Okay, so therefore I is equal, so for this one first into first function into second function t, one integral t, next minus log derivative 1 by log x derivative 1 by x. So in the same way here simply log 1. Okay, into t. Okay, that's all over. Next for this one same, first function into integral of second function minus first function derivative into integral of second. Okay, same whatever the function here, integral of this one, this same value may appear here. Okay, so for this one integral t, so that's why t will be repeated here. Okay, so t into here you see t into log of t plus 3. Okay, here if you observe, here t is there, here only t is there, but here t plus 3 is there. So what you have to do? Plus 3 minus 3, just simply here with the help of denominator t plus 3, you have to rewrite the denominator t as t plus 3 minus 3. No change in this one, as this t will appear, only plus 3 minus 3, because here in denominator t plus 3 is there, that's why here plus 3 and minus 3. So to simplify such integral, just you have to write like this. In the same way, you see, I think you have an idea. Here t plus 2 is there. What you have to do? Simply plus 2 minus 2. That's all. Plus 2 minus 2. You have to write plus 2 minus 2. Okay? Okay? Here also put in bracket. Always put in bracket, total dt. Okay? Here also same, put in bracket. So for this one, you see, this one and this one already evaluated. So t into, in both this one, take t as common. What you will get? Log of t plus 3 into log of t plus 2. Okay. So here clearly minus, if you separate this one, what you will get? 1 minus 3 by t plus 3. T by t plus 3 dt. Okay. Here also same one. 1 minus 2 by t plus 2 dt. Okay. Have you cleared this one? Here t plus 2 by t plus 2 gives 1. 1 minus 2 by. So you see here t into log m plus log n, log mn. So log t plus 3 into t plus 2. Okay. Okay. Log m plus log n, log mn. Here for this one integral value, for one integral t, for this one 3, 1 by x, log x. Similarly 1 by t plus 3, log t plus 3. Okay, log t plus 3. Okay, For this one, integral over. Next, this one. Here for 1 t minus 2 log. Here 2 log t plus 2. Okay? Okay. Next. Here finally t into log of here t square plus 2t plus 3t plus 6. Okay. Here minus t plus 3 into log of t plus 3. Here minus t plus 2 into log of t plus 2. Log of t plus 2. Okay. So t into log of t square plus 5t plus 6. Here you see minus t minus 2t. Here plus 3 log of t plus 3. Okay, log of t plus 3. Log of t plus 3. Next, plus 2 into log of t plus 2. Now, what about t? What you have to assume? T as e power x. So, finally, you should write e power x into log of e power x whole square means e power 2x plus 5 into e power x plus 6. Okay. Minus 2 e power x plus 3 log e power x plus 3. Here also plus 2 into log of e power x plus 2. So plus. Okay. So this is more simplification is required. So due to that reason, you have to practice several times. Otherwise, you are unable to reproduce the same one in your examination hall. So better to practice several times. Okay. Next question. 17th problem over. 17th problem over. So for the Roman number 2, last problem, because already 16th over, this is the 16th, 17th already in part 10 already over. So for Roman number 2, last problem, 18th problem, cos of log x dx. 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 Okay. Cos of log x dx. 18th question. Question number 18. Integral cos of log x dx. Cos of log x dx. Remember, suppose single function log x is there. Directly you have to assume second function as 1. But here, if you observe, this is the function of cos of log x. Which formula known for you? Well known for you? You know very clearly integral of cos x dx. Integral of cos x is sin x. So in place of x, what is the function here? Log x. So that's why here in this problem, what you have to substitute? This is the method of substitution. Okay. Simply put log x is equal to t. So log x for derivative 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Okay. So, or you see simply one thing, whenever logarithm is there, base is e. That means clearly x is equal to e power t. Here log x always base must be considered as e. So log x to the base is equal to t. That means x is equal to a power t. Remember, suppose a power x is equal to b. So if you consider, take logarithm means just in place of x, b. Base never change. Okay. Okay. Suppose if you remove this one, what happened? Just in place of b, x. So a power x is equal to b. So in the same way, here e power t is equal to x. So dx is equal to e power t dt. E power t dt. Okay. Okay. Next. So therefore I is equal here cos t. Cos t. Okay. Log x is equal to dx means e power t dt. E power t dt. So same isolate, which is first one trigonometric function. So here write down the formula only directly. You should simplify. No problem. Ft dt or fx dx, no problem. You have to mention the formula. Okay. First. So is equal first function into integral of second function. Okay. Minus derivative of first function into integral of second function. Okay. Into dx. Okay. You should mention clearly this formula. Now directly here first function here cos t. Second function integral value t. Okay. Second function e power t minus derivative of this one cos derivative minus sin t. Again integral value t, e power t. Okay. So e power t cos t minus plus integral sin t e power t dt. Again by parts. E power t cos t plus again first function into integral of second function. First function into integral of second function minus first function derivative cos t into second function integral as t. Okay. T. So I is equal e power t cos t plus t minus integral cos t e power t dt. You see cos t e power t dt is nothing but e I. This is nothing but I total. So I is equal e power t as common cos t plus sin t. Okay. Minus I. Okay. That means I plus I is equal e power t into cos t plus sin t. Cos t plus sin t. So I plus I means 2i. I plus I means 2i. Okay. I plus I means 2i. Okay. I have to write here 2i is equal e power t into cos t plus sin t. So I is equal e power t by 2 into cos t plus sin t. Okay. Okay. Right. Here what about e power t? E power t is nothing but x. T is nothing but log x. Remember, e power t is equal to x. T is equal to log x. So e power t is equal to x. So x by 2 into cos of t means log x. T means log x plus sin of log x. Okay. Plus c. For the sake of simplicity only, you have to mention base c. No need to mention here. Just to know that one only, you have to mention base c. In calculus part, always for logarithm functions, base must be e. Okay. So this is the solution for this one. Okay. So finally, in place of e power t is equal to x. In place of t is equal to log x. Okay. Next. So in exercise 6c, complete Roman number 1. Roman number 1 here. Roman number 1 1 to 8 problems, and Roman number 2 1 to 18 problems, and also extra problem. Okay. So next here in Roman number 3, already 8th problem over. E power ax into sin bx plus c in Roman number 3. Eighth problem. E power ax into sin bx plus c. Okay. Already I had to complete e power x into sin bx dx, and also extra one e power x into cos of bx plus c. So same one here. Okay. So no need to give the solution, already given that one. Next, here same model, one more model here. Ninth problem. A power x into cos 2x dx. A power x into cos 2x dx. A power x into ninth problem, Roman number 3. A power x into cos 2x dx. A power x into cos 2x dx. So whenever exponential function e power x and a power x, these are exponential function. Consider second function always. So here let I is equal a power x into cos of 2x dx, but consider trigonometric function as first function. So rewrite like this. Okay. So now here first function f of x cos 2x. For the first function, always find derivative only. Okay, derivative only. So f dash x is equal cos derivative minus sine. Derivative of cos is minus sine. For 2x, derivative is 2. Okay. Next, for the second function, always find integral value of this function. So what is the integral value of this one? What is the integral value of this one? For a power x, integral value is a power x by log a. A power x by log a. In differentiation, a power x differentiation, derivative a power x into log a. Here in integration, a power x integral a power x divided by log a. Okay. Now write down the formula. Integral f of x g of x dx is equal first function into integral of second function. Okay. Minus derivative of first function into integral of second function. Totally we should put integral symbol. Okay. So therefore I is equal, so you see f of x, so first function cos 2x into integral value a power x by log a. Integral value a power x by log a. Okay. Integral value a power x by log a. Okay. Next, minus, what is this one? F dash x. What is f dash x? Minus sin 2x into 2. Okay. Next, integral value. What is the integral value here? A power x by log a. A power x by log a dx. Okay. Next, here a power x by log a into cos 2x. Okay. Minus and minus plus 2 by log a. 2 by log a. 2 is constant, log a is constant. So inside the integral only sin 2x into a power x dx. Sin 2x into a power x dx. This is similar problem, same model about e power x into sin x, or e power ax into sin bx, or e power x into cos bx. Same problem, similar problem. But in place of e power x, a power x is there. Don't worry about this one. No need to worry. No need to tension. Okay, be free. This is similar model, similar problem. Okay, there is no deviation in this one. Okay, so here a power x by log a into cos 2x, okay, plus 2 by log a into first function into integral of second function a power x by log a. Okay, minus derivative of first function, sine derivative cos 2x into 2 into integral value a power x by log a dx. Okay, so put in bracket. Okay, now multiply with this one. I is equal a power x by log a into cos 2x. Next plus here 2 by log a whole square, 2 by log a whole square into sin 2x e power x into, here this is constant, already integration over, a power x into sin 2x. Okay, here you see plus into minus, minus, here 2 by log a, here 2 by log a is there, and one more 2 by log a. 2 by log a and 2 by log a gives x into x gives us x square. 2 by log a into 2 by log a gives us 2 by log a whole square. That means here 2 by log a whole square into integral of cos 2x into a power x dx. Okay, so what is this value? Cos 2x into e power x. Here this is nothing but I. Okay, so I have to write down here. Now I is equal, here log a whole square, or simply take the common as a power x, a power x, a power x, and cos 2x divided by log a, cos 2x divided by log a. Next here 2 by 2 into sin 2x, 2 sin 2x, 2 sin 2x by log a whole square, log a whole square, minus 4 by here log a whole square into I. Okay, so I plus transpose to left side, 4 by log a whole square into I. Here finally a power x into LCM as log a whole square, LCM as log a whole square. What we have to obtain? Log a into log a into cos 2x, log a into cos 2x. Next plus 2 sin 2x, 2 sin 2x. Okay, so here log a whole square plus 4 by log a whole square into I. So here also a power x by log a whole square. So this whole square and this whole square get cancelled. So remaining here log a into cos 2x plus 2 into sin 2x. Okay, so final answer is, finally we got the result as I is equal finally a power x divided by log a whole square plus 4 into log a into cos 2x, log a into cos 2x. Okay, plus 2 into sin 2x plus c plus. So this is the solution for this problem. A power x into cos 2x. Suppose in the examination hall the same question like this, integral of a power x into sin 2x dx, like this he may give it. So don't worry about that one, no need to be tension. Just you have to think positively every problem known to you, but due to lack of understood, due to lack of that one only, student may commit some mistakes somewhere else. So just keenly observe the given problem and which is the suitable for one to evaluate the given integral. Sometimes method of substitution or sometimes directly by parts. So in this video I have to give the Roman number 3 2 problems. In next video I have to give the remaining 11 problems. Here in Roman number 3 1 to 13 parts, 1 to 13 questions will be there. 2 questions already over, 8 and 9. So remaining problems in part 12. Here this is the part 11. So in part 12 I have to give the complete solutions for that one. Okay. So if you really like this one, please give one like for me. And also one thing, my humble request, please subscribe my channel. Still who didn't subscribe my channel, those who didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and also click on bell icon. Okay. Also, if you think it is very much useful for the students or your well-wishers, please share to this video. Okay. And also give me your heartful comment in your comment box. Okay. Thank you very much.